If you drive a modern diesel truck or car, you are benefiting from a technology called common rail fuel injection every time you turn the key. In older diesel engines, fuel delivery was often loud, inefficient, and produced a lot of black smoke, but the common rail system changed all of that. Think of it as a high-pressure reservoir, or a shared pipe, that keeps diesel fuel under massive pressure and ready to be sprayed at a moment's notice. This system uses a sophisticated computer and electronic injectors to decide exactly when and how much fuel to spray into each cylinder. Because the fuel is under such high pressure, it atomizes into a very fine mist, which burns much more completely and cleanly than the big droplets of the past. This results in more power, better fuel economy, and a significant reduction in exhaust emissions. One of the coolest parts about this technology is that the computer can actually detect if the engine is running a bit rough and adjust the timing of the fuel pulses in real time to smooth things out. This is why modern diesels are so much quieter than the clattering engines of the 1980s. Unlike older mechanical systems where the pressure depended on how fast the engine was spinning, a common rail system can maintain maximum pressure even at low idle. This means you get peak performance and responsiveness, whether you are towing a heavy trailer up a hill or just sitting at a red light. It is a brilliant example of how digital electronics and precision mechanical engineering work together to make heavy-duty power feel as refined as a luxury sedan.